Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 to a really lovely mini Countryman 2019 hybrid. How the system works is every time you jump in the vehicle you turn on the start button, go through your push sequence. On here we've done something very basic, so 1, 2, 3, 4, get an indicator flash, put your foot on the brake and start the vehicle and select your gear. Really clever, really straightforward. Now what this does is, if someone was to clone this key from a distance or clone it in some way, or grab the keys from the house, jump in and start it like this, as soon as I select a gear you'll see the vehicle will shudder and cut out. If I try and restart it, vehicle won't start. Okay, so every time you jump in a vehicle, ignition on, insert your push sequence, get your indicator flash, start your vehicle and put it into gear. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. Also, it has the facility to change the code, so if you wanted to change the code to something different, there are several buttons on this vehicle you can use. When you give us a call I'll be able to tell you the buttons. So how you would do a pin code change is ignition on, insert your push sequence, receive your double flash, put your foot right down on the accelerator, repeat the same code again. When the indicator starts to flash, let go of the accelerator and change the code. So we're going to do something simple. So we're going to tap this button here, and as we tap it you're going to see the indicators flash. So we'll pause and we'll get 3 flashes. Repeat the same code again. If the first sequence is the same as the second, we'll get 2 flashes. There you go. If it would have been wrong, we would have got 4 flashes and would have started again. So ignition off. Leave it for a few seconds and we'll now try it again. So ignition on, try the old code. Let's see if we're getting anything. No, so ignition off, ignition on again, and try the new code. Get your flash. There you go, foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Put it in gear. There you go, it's in reverse now, vehicle hasn't cut out. Place it in the park. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 07961 838484, 07961 838484.